Let's talk about that historic deal between Merck and J&J. NBCNews.com senior White House reporter Shannon Pettypiece is in Washington, D.C. Shannon, what else is the White House saying about this partnership and how it will help get more shots in American arms?
Well, President Biden just said that this is going to speed up the availability of vaccines so that by the end of May, every adult in this country who wants a vaccine should be able to get one. Previously, they had said by the end of July, there would be enough vaccine doses available for every adult. Now, of course, the Biden administration is cautioning that just because there's enough doses doesn't mean everyone will be able to get a vaccine, because you still need people to administer them. So that is still one barrier they have to address. But as far as doses and supply issue, that should be there by the end of May. And the president said this is because of this partnership in part between Johnson & Johnson and Merck. Well, by having Merck assisting Johnson & Johnson with this production, that's going to speed up availability of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. And he said that there was also the use of the Defense Production Act by the federal government to help get Johnson & Johnson some of the materials and equipment and supplies they needed to really ramp up production.
Shannon, the president making a major announcement about vaccinating teachers. What's the latest there?
Yeah, so he is saying that he is directing states to prioritize teachers to get the vaccine this month, the month of March, and that he is going to use the federal pharmacy program, which is where the pharmacies actually get the vaccine directly from the federal government, use that program to start giving teachers the vaccine. So by this week, teachers would be able to make an appointment and go to their local pharmacy and get vaccinated. And the goal is to get every teacher vaccinated by the end of March.
Shannon, during a call with Senate Democrats earlier today, President Biden made it pretty clear that he's going to push ahead with the COVID relief package, regardless of whether everyone agrees with everything that's in it. How is that going over?
Well, of course, the big sticking point has been this $15 minimum wage. And the White House has been telling Democrats that they are certainly open to this. This is something they would like to see, but it is just not going to happen here. The Senate parliamentarian gave them a little bit of cover by saying this wasn't going to be included, or couldn't be included under Senate rules in this package, the way the process the Democrats are using to go about it. Now, whether or not this is going to come up in another separate piece of legislation is something progressives are hoping to see. But the White House is really already focusing on this next infrastructure bill. So the question remains, what is going to happen to $15 minimum wage? Progressives are obviously going to keep fighting for it. The White House wants to move on. And of course, even if it is included in future legislation, it does not appear there are enough votes, even among Democrats, to get that passed.
All right, Shannon Pettypiece, just outside the White House. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.